Exercise 12.4, question number 4. A cylindrical container of radius 3 cm and height 14 cm is filled with ice cream. The ice cream is to be distributed among 16 children in equal cones with hemispherical tops. If the height of the conical portion is 5 times the radius of its base, find the volume of its ice cream cones. So here we have a cylinder which is filled with ice cream, and the ice cream here is to be given to 16 children, and each of the children have ice cream cones of the same volume. And as the question gives, the radius of the conical portion is, let's say, r. Here the height will be 5 times of r according to the question, because it's 5 times the radius. So this cone will be multiplied with 16. Then the volume of all the cones, that means 16 cones together, will be equal to volume of this cylinder, because all the ice cream here will be given to 16 of them. Since we are asked to find the volume of this cone, let's first know the radius and the height. Then only we can find the volume of the cone. Let's remember, 16 into volume of cone will be equal to volume of cylinder. Here for the cylinder, radius equal to 3 cm, height equal to 14 cm, for the cone, let's say radius is r, that means height will be 5 times of the radius. Here when we say radius, it means radius of the base. And for the hemisphere, it will be radius once again r. Then by the question, as we said, 16 into volume of ice cream cone will be equal to volume of the ice cream in the cylinder. Let's just say volume of the cylinder. Now 16 into volume of ice cream cone means cone plus hemisphere together. So volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi, the radius here is r square, and h, 5 of r, plus volume of the hemispherical portion, 2/3 pi r cube. So here it is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of the cylinder, pi r3, that is 3 square h, 14. Now this becomes 1/3 pi r square into 5r gives 5 r cube plus 2/3 pi r cube. I'll divide the right hand side with 16. 3 square into 14 divided by 16. Let's cancel. 2, 7, 2, 8. Now taking common in the left hand side, 1/3 pi r cube. So we have 5 and 2 only remaining. So pi into 3 into 3 into 7 divided by 8. Cancelling pi and pi on both sides. We have r cube into 5 plus 2, 7. 3 into 3 into 7. On cross multiplying, once again 3. Cross multiplying with this, 8. Now cancelling 7 and 7 on both sides. R cube, 3 cube divided by 2 cube is 8. Now r cube equal to 3/2 whole cube. Cancelling cube and cube on both sides. R is now 1.5 centimeter. This is the radius of the cone that we have. Now let's find the height. And height of the cone will be 5 times of the radius, that is 1.5. 5 into 1.5, that gives 7.5 centimeter. Now that we have the radius as well as the height of the cone, we can now easily find the volume of the ice cream cone. Therefore, volume of the ice cream cone will be volume of cone plus hemisphere, that is 1 by 3 pi r, as we got 1.5 here, square h, plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let's take common here, 1 by 3 pi 1.5 square. So we have 7.5 plus 2 is still there, and one of this 1.5 remains. 1 by 3, putting the value of pi 22 by 7, 1.5 into 1.5, 7.5 plus 2 into 1.5 gives 3. 0.5 gives 1.5. On multiplying 11 into 7.5 plus 3 gives 10.5, and here I have 7 left. 7, 1 is 7, 7 5 35, 11 into 15 gives 225, and point here. And multiplying this, we have 24.75 centimeter cube. So the volume of the ice cream cone is 24.75 centimeter cube.